Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to show you a walk around, startup, and a drive video on this 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Now, this cute little car came from Arizona. It's been a desert car most of its life. This car is super solid. The body is very, very nice. All the original body panels, as far as I can tell. Just a very, very nice looking Mustang. Has a cold car air conditioning. 289 automatic. It's got a newer radiator in it. It is a C-code car. The glass in the car is all in very good shape. The stainless trim and bright work all looks very nice on the car too. The paint and body on the car is very, very nice, super solid. A couple little imperfections that I will point out to you. That's just dirt. Got one little chip right there. And it's got a couple little chips here on the leading edge of that door. You can't hardly see them, but that's where it's at. There's your jams. The whole interior of the car has all been redone. Very, very nice seats, carpeting, headliner, dash, package tray. Steering wheel is very, very nice. Horn works. Odometer reads 18,000 miles. It's probably 118,000 maybe. I'm not gonna tell you whether those are actual. Chrome bumpers are in excellent shape. American Racing torque thrust style wheels. BF Goodrich radial TAs. It's got a padded dash. The dash is in very nice shape. Glove box light works. 65 Mustang owner's manual inside. Seat belts are intact on the car. Car cover inside. Factory trunk liner. Hasn't been painted inside the trunk. The jams have been done, but inside the trunk's all original. Just a nice, super solid car. I have pictures of the undercarriage on our website, and you'll see we didn't paint the underneath the car. We didn't touch it up, nothing like that. It's just all original sheet metal, and it looks great. Super solid. Starts right up. Dash lights work. Left turn, right turn. Wipers. Radio works. Air conditioning blows cold. That feels great. Lighter works. This is a really good car. Everything seems to work on this little car. Tail lights, right turn signal, license plate light. And those tires are raised white leather too, if you prefer to have the white letters out instead of the black walls. It's got disc brakes on the front of it. Headlights, right turn signal. Turn the left one on here. Left turn signal. Engine runs very, very smooth. Aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor. So that's got a new master cylinder on it as well. Left turn signal. I think I got this car, I'm pricing it at $34,900. I think that's a great price for this little car. You know, I've been seeing cars that aren't near this good. People are asking $25 to $30 for them, and this car's got ice cold air. It's a rust-free desert car with disc brakes, new rubber, new interior. Just super, super nice little car. Take her down the road here for a quick spin. Great running car. Speedometer works. Temp gauge starting to come up. Odometer works. Very good car, everybody. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful little 65 Mustang coupe. It drives great. It's ready to go. Kinion Classic Cars. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Kinion Classics. That way you never miss another great quality car. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Thank you.